What is up then, guys? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel. So today is the day that we go and collect our new project from London. I am that excited. I've had to go to the gym and train legs day on a Sunday just to tire myself out, because I know that if I'm this excited when my mates are in the car, I'm probably just going to do their reading and I'll just be bouncing around and like proper, like I'll be there yet, I'll be there yet, I'll be there yet. So yeah, I've had to go do that. The plan now is, in this car, pretty much every other morning, I would get up and go to my local Starbucks and grab a coffee. As sus as that sounds, a bit of a soft one that is, but used to go grab a coffee and then go carry on do my daily plan. So that's what we're going to do now. Probably for the last time ever, we'll see. But yeah, once we've done that, we'll start going picking up the lads up and then we'll get on with our journey.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. Get it started for you.
How you doing? You alright? Can I get your chocolate marshmallow small frappuccino, please? I had to get like the most campish drink that was on the menu and it sounds absolutely amazing. Fucking hell, I need to chill out. And now you see why my car was so disgusting. And there we go, coffee done. Couldn't have got a camper drink if I tried to. Tastes absolutely amazing. Chocolate marshmallow, s'more, something like that. Don't know, but Right then, whilst I'm here and it's on my mind, I've been seeing loads of things about like these car raffles being scams and everything like that. So I think today will be like a good tester to see if these are legit. So yeah, I think I might have to put out a bit of thumbnail, a bit of clickbait. But yeah, this would be a good time to see if car raffles are legit or massive scams, which I hope they're not, because this is a long ass drive and I don't really want to waste my time. So yeah, let's go and see. Well then guys, got to our final resting spot. This is Jake, the old owner. This is who's going to be keeping it safe for us. This is Joseph, that's my cousin Reese. So gonna get the car sorted, put the cover on, everything like that. I'm proper sad. So gonna get the cover on, chuck everything in, and we'll get ready to go. Also, whilst we're here, my mum was out shopping this morning and she found something for you.
Better be a mermaid.
No. Mate, sorry, stop me, what?
Mermaid tail, innit? Yeah, boy!
She wants to see you in that. So you better go try that on, mate.
I'm gonna go get it out. You ready?
Yeah. I'll put the photo in there just to reference where this comes from, but my mate's absolutely weird. Right, then, so that's the CLIB for as it is now, all covered up for the time being, or as far as we can see in the future for now. But yeah, time to pack up. The guys have just gone to the shop. So yeah, it's going to chill for a bit. We need to be in London for 4 o'clock. It's 1:45 now, so we've got plenty of time. So yeah, it's the end of a journey, but on to a new, hopefully faster one. So yeah, let's go. Right then boys, on the road, time to go. 2 hours and 2 minutes left to go. We're in Jake's very snazzy, what do you call it, Peugeot what?
Peugeot 206.
Yeah, 206. Oh, fucking beautiful, man. So yeah, 2 hours and a bit just to go. Let's go. Right, just parked up. Kind of got no idea where we're going. The sat nav's just showing us the middle of some water, so fuck knows. We need to go find that soon. But we are about an hour and a half too early. We are very keen beans. We just wanted to try and avoid the work traffic. Well, there's no work traffic this Sunday. Wanted to avoid the traffic, just general London congestion. So yeah, just gonna have a wander around for a bit. It's quite nice for London, I think. Yes, girls. Girls' night, woo. Fucking bunch of melons. Are you chatting?
Nah, the car's there, bro.
Alright, just had a bit of scran. Are you all chatting shit?
Nah, the car is there, bro.
We just finished eating lunch at the Harvester, and apparently they're in the car park. You man are lying.
Promise ya.
Oh, shut up, man. Shut up, man. He's here.
Bro.
Are you mad? Where are you?
Over here.
Brother, are you lying?
No,
oh my god. No. Hold my bag, bro. They're here, mate. I'm gonna give it to Jake.
My boy. Got the big whip. The big unveil.
Oh. How you doing, boys and girl?
I'll get it done.
Get done with the car.
How are you, mate? You okay?
How you doing, buddy? You okay?
This is bigger than mine.
Oi, oi.
Oh, mate, you guys are amazing. I don't know what to say.
You bought a ticket, we didn't.
Yeah.
Wants to cry.
I don't want to cry, but fucking hell. No way, man.
The funny thing, you look so small in that. The seat position's so low.
Is it? Oh, there we are. Oh, my fucking God.
Wow.
Shit, man. Oi. Fucking hell. You know, you see all these things like they're like scams and that. Like, no, they're not, mate.
Worried in case it got robbed when you got here?
Yeah, very real. A lot of spare seat in the range as well.
Yeah, when I got in it, I thought you might need it actually. A bit tighter than I remember.
Oh, you brought another seat?
Just in case.
Mad. Oh, it's bolt train after the floor, so you better feel here.
Yeah, that's a good thing about it. The bolts
No sliding
straight
anything.
flat. Yeah, exactly. So
Proper track toy.
Well done.
Thank you very much, mate.
Oh no, sorry, we're not allowed to do that.
we can cut. Thank God for that. Are you going to go on a track this year or next year?
Let's see what dates are available, man. Definitely soon.
Fair
enough. I need it, man.
Well, your free one's included with track obsession, so have a look and let us know what one takes your fancy.
Have they got many more dates this year?
I think
There's a few, isn't there?
4 or 5 this year. And next year I know there's going to be quite a few more. So.
I really want to do Brands Hatch.
Oh, okay, there's still brands available. Yeah.
I think that's next on the list, man.
And you've taken it on track, Lee, so you know.
Mate,
what
I
it's
was,
passed
I was watching your video. I was
I don't know how it come across in videos, but honestly,
man. Oh, mate.
and that was on a crap track as well, surface-wise.
Yeah, somewhere like Brands, it would be.
Oh, mate, honestly.
The passenger open marker.
Let's see.
I don't know.
Let's see.
Look at him. He fits.
I'm going to swap it. I'm going to lie, my arse cheeks are too wide for this one. Oh my God. Mate, this is mad.
Rev it a bit.
Oh mate, I'm so happy.
Lovely.
Oh God, I'm so excited, man.
It's that supercharger wine.
Oh mate, when I heard that, I was like, my heart just skipped a beat, man. Shit, mate. Let's try and get out of this. Don't get this on camera.
The struggle.
You know,
I'm really pleased with you, mate. Really.
I'm so happy, mate.
One ticket.
One ticket.
That's it. He's on his tape.
Bloody hell, mate.
That's it.
Crazy.
A couple of people bought the full 50 tickets.
Yeah.
You bought just the one, so.
I'll have a look.
Open it up.
Oh, it's a pain. Oh, there you go. Faster than that.
There you go. All the right bits done to it, really. We'd say. Obviously built by Matt West, so he knows
I've
a
been
thing or
messaging
two.
him as well.
Oh, have you, yeah?
He's been telling me everything about the car.
He's a top guy.
He's
He's a top guy.
Proper suspension as well. I've got like FK, AKs on my wheel car, mate. It's like they're absolutely shit.
You can vouch for them.
Big brakes.
They're good. Big
off
brakes.
off the McGann 250.
Oh,
I think the whole package, you know, the brakes, the tyres and the coilovers all together, just
Yeah.
kind of make it what it is, you know.
GP2 discs and yeah, no, just the real.
Man,
Good stuff. Should we do some paperwork?
let's do it.
Yeah, get it.
Modelling photos. Get your tits out.
And we'll jump in one if that's alright, mate.
Bend over, show us the cake.
Why not? Yeah. Social distancing.
Gang.
All yours, man. Confused as well.
I need a new one.
Just drop it already, mate. Love that.
Promotion.
She's all yours. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, Michael.
Man, drive safe.
You're a big guy, ain't you? So you change, just moving the seat back a little bit.
I think I'm gonna put that one in.
Right, enjoy it, mate. And
Yeah, if you go to Brands Hatch, maybe I might come along because I've been thinking about doing that one.
I'll be uploading content, so I'll let you guys know. So just
Yeah.
go have a look at Mark Out Night.
Amazing, mate.
Let's have a little look. But yeah,
Drive safe.
thank you guys so much.
Congratulations once again. See you later.
See ya. See you in a bit.
Let's do the bridges. Oh, yeah, yeah.
I need to.
Joe, hold this door.
See ya. Thank you.
Bro, man just won a fucking car.
How'd you feel, boy?
I just won a fucking car. So yeah,
See?
that's just a...
Tires, I think, bro.
Bro, hard players and that, man. So yeah, just to you guys, these track car giveaway things are legit.
Yeah. No, nobody got robbed.
Nobody got robbed.
And so, mate, you get your nose on it.
Can you get your belly in here, sir?
How did it feel?
Mad. Alright then guys, gonna call it here. I will do another video of actually reviewing the car and driving it properly. But for now, I feel like I just want to get home and get it drive. Got about a 2.5 hour drive. They think I'm a fanny, but I don't care. So stay tuned for the next part. If they do any rollers on the way back, I'll chuck those in as well. But yeah, guys, you've got a new car. Thank you guys for coming. Mate, this is gonna be a madness. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.